How you going? Over the past couple of weeks, I've had an absolute shocker in YouTube terms. I think I've lived every YouTuber's nightmare. I've had a heap of corrupt files. I've lost hours and hours of footage. A couple of SD cards crapped themselves and we lost everything. There was car shows on there, there was truck stuff. The introduction to the new grandson bow was on there as well. So it kind of gave me the shits a little bit, so I haven't picked up the camera for a while. And to top it all off, the laptop got a little bit lazy and decided it wasn't going to cooperate and make any videos. So hopefully, if you're watching this, I've got all of that behind me, and I can spend a bit more time chatting to you. So we are currently westbound on the Gore Highway, coming through Millmerran at the moment, heading out to Gundawindi. We're going to swap some empty boxes for some full ones and head back to Port of Brisbane. And I think that'll do us for the day. So some of you eagle-eyed viewers out there can follow me on Instagram as well. That'll be g'day_it's Pete. You'll have noticed that I'm in a different truck. So I'm still working for the same company. I've just moved on to a different contract. I've been on that aluminium contract for about 14 months. Living in the truck, being away from home 5 and 6 days a week. And after a while, it just started grinding on me. I've been working away before and don't mind being away from home. But I was a bit tired. It was time for a change. So I've moved from the aluminium contract back onto the grain contract, and permanently one of the 659 day cab A doubles. 543 head towards you, mate. So we are moving grain for export between Gundawindi and the Port of Brisbane. And Millmerran has a speed restriction between 8 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got a school on either side of the road and a public swimming pool and a hospital and everything all in the same area. So be careful going through Millmerran. Thank you, mate.
Thanks, mate. What, do you want to come past me?
Nah, you've been moving along all right. I'll just stay where I am if it's all right.
Sure.
Yeah, no worries. We're going to move at the same speed anyway.
Okay.